Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Delight with Neel. If you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we are going to learn different types of birds. So let's start. Parrot, Toucan, Kingfisher, Hummingbird, Duck, Flammingo, Swan, Goose, Dove, Pigeon, Pelican, Sparrow, Crow, Rooster, Penguin, Robin, Macow, Owl, Eagle, Vulture, Ostrich, Cuckoo, Seagull, Emu, Hornbill, Bird, Tailor bird, Peacock. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.